What the f is going on in front of me here?
Can you see me on this bike?
That's an Alejandro bike there.
That's something. Can you tell me about the F450 GS?
Here we go. I'm trying to figure out what.
I just need to get 2 bikes.
Two more.
I need to get 2 more bikes.
2 more.
Good morning, fellow pony riders and possum riders. I got the possum on my tail, chasing me across North Raleigh. Today is the monthly meetup for the Moto Europa group. It started many years ago. We used to meet up in Cary. It's switched locations several times over the years. It is now in North Raleigh, which makes me happy and makes Possum happy. I guess I should say Speed Goat. He's a Speed Goat. So anyway, it's morphed over time. It's all inclusive. Anybody can come. I suppose even if you're on a Harley or an Indian, you can come as well. I've never seen a Harley or an Indian at this thing, but nobody would kick you out. Everybody's pretty inclusive. So if you ride a Harley or an Indian, you should show up the second Saturday of the month at New World Café in North Raleigh, and we'll find out. There he is. There's the man right there. The Scrambler, my pony. When we got back from our trip, like 2 miles from the house, it started coughing and bucking and just losing all kinds of power, and it was like, what the hell is going wrong here? I had some sort of fueling problem, so we put it on the trailer, sent it up to my guy, who is just amazing. I'll get that back soon, and we'll have the pony on the road again. But that brings up a very interesting point. I need to get my ass in the seat of some new motorcycles. What the f is going on in front of me here? So anyway, Scrambler is going to need a future retirement, and it's just going to have to be retired at some point, and I will need a replacement bike. So I do want to go sit on some motorcycles and see what's out there and what my potential options are. We'll go park next to Chiho. There's our guys. There is Keith and Chiho.
Good morning. Good morning.
Hey guys.
Rapalappa. He's got his Rapalappa. Hello, hello. Here we are inside the New World Cafe. People getting their coffee. Oh, there goes my man. Hold up. Get the door for me. That thing is a showstopper. It's a show winner too. Nice. The Versys. No, I've really considered the Versys before. Of course, Chiho's W650. That thing has been all over. That's been back and forth across America several times, up to Alaska, Yukon. That thing's done it all. What a great bike. My God. Evil Twin. Oh my God. That is a great license plate.
You're on a round too, right?
I sold it. I had it for like a year. Yep. Still looking for my future Scrambler replacement.
Whose is this? Yours?
This is his.
Yours? I love it. I'm Suzuki loyal, and that's great.
We gotta go look at this guy right here. I'm a sucker for Ducati. The V4. Yeah. Nice. Well, there's usually a lot more bikes here. It's a beautiful day though. I don't know why there aren't more. Maybe they'll be showing up just as we leave. Alright. We will see you maybe at a dealership. Okay, I would have bought this bike in a heartbeat. That Z650, or should I say Z650. Oh my God! Back in the day, and I got my Scrambler. Had this bike been a thing, I'd have bought this bike. This would have been my motorcycle. Can you see me on this bike? There are so many cool bikes here. Look at this Ninja. Look at these Z900s. XSR 900, love that too. God, look at this thing. Holy cow. Those are some colors. Damn.
That's a Alejandro bike there.
That's something.
Oh yeah, you can.
No, I can't. I couldn't.
All you gotta do is when you get off the bike, you do this.
Another, what, year and a half?
Yes. What is it?
Jixus?
Is it?
Wait, not enough power. See, this one right here, this would be perfect, but it's not the off-road package. And it's a little underpowered, right? 300's not quite what I need. I need something a little more powerful, but it is not a replacement for my Scrambler.
Because that giant has a piece of leg.
Ginormous. See, that comes right up off the. But look at, I can't even hardly tiptoe it. My toes are almost off the ground.
Really? Yeah, they always just sit on
Look at
the top.
this. I mean, that's.
This is really built primarily for.
Yeah, I know, and I love it, but I can't even remotely. Yeah, love the KLR 650, but not a Scrambler replacement either. Okay, well that's Team Powersports in North Raleigh. All right, we are at Garcia Moto BMW Indian. Used to be Ducati. We'll see if they still have any Ducatis in stock. You know, I never even really considered the F900. Yep, it's pretty tall. Hey, we're not considering that 900. Too tall.
Too tall.
So, hell with that. We're not doing that. Damn. What is this? Hello, puppy. Oh.
That's cool.
It is.
Very motocross seat on it.
Yeah. There. How are you?
Very good.
Right here?
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Good for you.
Good to see you, man.
It's great to see you too.
Good. Can you tell me about the F450 GS?
Here we go.
It won't be released until the end of next year.
I know, and we probably won't even see it until the beginning of Q1 at least of 2027.
Maybe, I don't know, we might get the first one Q4 next year. That's what they're saying.
But no, I have to look at my next, because that was my first bike.
Yeah.
Dude, she is ridden shit on it.
So I
Oh, I
need
know, you've ridden a lot of miles on it.
hard miles.
Yeah.
Ducati did not have me in mind when they built that bike. They figured it'd be like for a good, first person bike. Yeah, that was me. But they didn't, I don't think they thought, like the original Icon, somebody's going to keep for 10 years and ride the living shit out of it.
I think most of
You're riding for
most
3-4 years.
A few miles on it.
And off you go, you're going to get something else, right?
That's kind of what it is.
Yeah.
I always say once she figured where engines make power, she keeps them there.
Yeah.
Well,
Which
that's
is
the
tough.
fun part. This is a damn good bike. I love that bike.
Yeah, it's a great bike.
I don't know. I bought it just for a track bike. Turns out it's my daily rider now. It's freaking amazing.
It'll hit a deer and keep on going.
It does. It hits deer and keeps on going. I know, and this one keeps coming back. Here, hold this.
Good to see you,
Oh, I
Dad.
can't sit.
All right,
It says I can't sit.
you can't sit on it. I bet if you ask Garrett, he'll let you. He's right there.
If I drop it into the other bike. It's still so tall.
Oh, that's too big.
I love this bike. I didn't sit. My alter ego sat. I do love my Scrambler.
Well, it's a beautiful bike. Look at this one.
Now this.
Yeah.
It's nice popping in here. We're just out tooling around here today.
Good seeing you, fellas.
We are at Capital Powersports. Damn, we've been in several different places today. Oh, right there, CFMOTO. IBEX. That's the 800. That's big. Holy, check out this one before. This feels so much better than every bike I've sat on today.
And that's
This is the 800. I'm not flat-footing, but it doesn't feel as top-heavy as the V-Strom did. And it wasn't that hard to lift up off the kickstand. I mean, this feels like almost like just riding a normal motorcycle.
let's go inside.
Let's go inside.
Come along.
Come on. This is a Tenere 700.
That Tracer's amazing.
I know, I do love the Tracer. Look how tall that is. There's no way.
There's no way. No, and I'll keep reminding you.
Oh, there's your bike. Behind the red velvet robes. That's Neil's next bike. His next sport bike.
But that's not why we're here.
That's not why we're here. There's the IBEX 450. I'm doing well. This is so much more balanced.
The problem's going to be giving up
Low, just look at this. It's so
400cc from your Scrambler, though.
Yeah, going from 800 to 400 is like. There's my dirt bike right there.
That is actually exactly what you need.
That would be so much fun.
Sound like you didn't follow in the ropes of getting into just the ropes.
Wow. Look at this. This is. I'm gonna get this.
But then we got I'm trying to figure out what.
Okay, I could do this.
Oh no, this would be great.
This is all I need.
That is.
For what I'm doing.
That would.
What I want to do with it. Throw it back in my pickup.
Take it to the farm.
Shit.
That will get that out of your system. Oh, yeah. That is what you need. Seriously.
Why do I need to keep trying to make a single bike do everything?
And you don't have to register that.
I just need to get 2 bikes.
Two more.
I need to get 2 more bikes.
2 more.
Because I'm not getting rid of a bike.
She doesn't get rid of bikes. She just gets bikes.
All right, Carl. We'll see you later.
Guys,
Cool. I see the Insta. I like it.
I love it. I would really like to ride one and feel what the engine characteristics are like. I'd love to just test ride one. All right, that was fun. But we didn't spend any money. No bank accounts were harmed in the making of this video.
Well, today was a lot of fun. We went to several different motorcycle dealerships, sat on several different bikes, talked to lots of different people. I am not, let me reiterate, I am not in the market to replace my pony yet. Not yet. But I do recognize the day is coming. So, I gotta start looking realistically at what my options are. We do have a great motorcycle community here in Raleigh. What I want is like basically what everybody wants is the unicorn. I want the bike that's going to be small and light and can do trail riding amazingly, but carry out my luggage and go at highway speeds. I need a bike that does everything, and that bike does not exist. It literally does not exist. And it kind of does if you're taller. Like, if you're a taller person, oh my god, the Tenere 700 is like the perfect bike, I think. But I'm not taller. I'm way too short for these tall bikes. So I guess we're back to, I really need 2 motorcycles. I need a touring bike with adventure capabilities just to do, you know, some light gravel and light duty off-road stuff. And then I need a trail bike, just a trail bike. I need 2 separate vehicles for 2 separate purposes. Anyway, on that note, I'm going to tell you we are going to go eat some lunch, and we will check in another day, and we hope that you're having a great day. And if you're not, what are you going to do? You're going to go make it a great day.